This is what you'll get for a 55,000 pesos per month 2-bedroom unit here in Park McKinley West. Tara, tour ko kayo.
So, as you enter the unit, you will be greeted with your bar-type kitchen complete with deliverables like induction cooker, oven, range hood, and sink. And there is also your maid's room, or should we say your utility room, with its own toilet and bath accessories. Moving on, this will be your smart home system. Yes, there is a smart home system which allows you to control your unit using your phone. And yes, you heard me right. You can do that here in Park McKinley West. Next, this will be your spacious living and dining area with its own access to the balcony. This also includes an air conditioning and the tinted tempered glass, so your property will be just the right temperature inside of it. And moving on to the bedrooms, this will become your bedroom 1, and this also includes with air conditioning and an access to the balcony as well as built-in cabinets inside of it. Next will be your toilet and bath with complete deliverables from international brand Kohler, and what you see here is what you get inside of this. And lastly, of course, this will be your master's bedroom, a truly massive space that can accommodate up to a king-size bed. And this also includes access to the balcony with its own walk-in mini closet, and this room have its own toilet and bath of its own. Imagine living here with all this inclusion. Of course, you're the only one we're waiting here.
So, if you're interested with this property, comment it down below or message me on the details provided. Thank you.